I'll tell you what, the moment I turned off the camera, a cop showed up. It was a white unmarked car. He's over there. I was parked at a light. Well, stopped at a light, and he pulled up right behind me. There he is, right there. That's all white. Well, I guess if stuff is gonna show up after I turn off the camera, I'll just keep the camera on. I mean, shoot. Came up, pulled up right behind me. I feel like my heart sank. I saw him pull up behind me. It's just one of those things. Even when you're not doing anything wrong, you know, it doesn't matter. Even if you're behaving, you can still get pulled over, and your day just is ruined. Someone dropped a garbage can in the road. Oh, okay. Mr. Nissan Rogue. Well, what the heck is this? What are these clouds? Huh. Those frickin' cicadas, man. Jesus Christ. The cicadas are out of control. You can just hear them. Ugh. Seriously? Broken lights everywhere. I don't know what that is, but that's cool. It's always fun to kind of push on the accelerator a little bit. I think I see a Corvette over there. Aww.
The next day.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. We're in the M3 going to work. We're in the M3 going to work. That straight truck looks like it's getting towed up there. Ugh. I already finished my drink. Oh my god. I don't think we're gonna make it past this truck. Chevy, that's gonna be a little tight. You're gonna want to move out of that dude's way. Yeah, that was dumb. Mr. Equinox, that was dumb. Oh, Jesus. I don't think I've ever seen a line this long at this intersection before. I'm going through this. It's green. I don't even care. Sweet. Oh. Come on, people. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, jeez. All right. God damn it, there's a cop right there. For Christ's sake. That's not good. He's over there. Okay. He might be exiting. My fuel light's on. I'm gonna stay next to this brown Subaru. He's staying back there. That's good. Mr. Metropolitan Police Officer. Hey, as long as you're not the guy that drove into that dude's bar and then arrested the bar owner because he started shouting at you. Dang, Kia. Do you like my ass? Is that why you're getting so close? You look like you're trying to sniff it. I don't know why we're going so slow in this lane, I must admit. I could be wrong, but I think that temp tag said 227. But your driving behavior matches your temp tag, so whatever. Sir, you following a racing line? Oh, now you move over. Chevy Tahoe. Which one's the big one? Is the Tahoe the big one or the Suburban the big one? I can't remember. Oh. I see red and blue lights up there. I didn't see that coming down this way. They must only have their backlights on. That's my assumption anyways. If you want to be at that funky angle, fine. Whatever. God dang, dude. Is there still construction up here, or are they done? Oh, yep, right lane closed ahead. It was open. Yesterday. Alrighty. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay. Time for the drive home. I just fueled this baby up so I can have a little bit of fun. Panda Express. I haven't given the temptation yet. As much as I'd love some Panda right now, we got stroganoff at home. Oh, Jesus. I think I'm just smelling my exhaust. Bro, those are some big wheels. Them some big wheels. I'm ready to go home and take a shower. Why does this Jeep look so weird? That's because it's not a Jeep, it's a frickin' Bronco. From far away it looked like a Jeep. What is all that on the top? Is that the roof liner all folded all back? I like the blue, it's pretty. Almost looks like liquid blue, though that could just be my sunglasses. Can that be like that at highway speeds? That just looks really weird. I appreciate the Cadillac riding my bumper, that's nice. Is he pulling up to me to ask me, did you wash your ass today?